In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Elementor AI for free. So do take note that this video is for educational purposes and we don't actually condone any activities that doesn't say so. So on this case, head over to elementor.com, then click on this login option if you already have an account, or click on this get started option right here. Now let's host our Elementor with WordPress. So head over and do the same thing by logging in into your WordPress or clicking onto this get started. Now this is my dashboard on my WordPress that has Elementor. So onto this case, you can just head over and scroll down and locate Elementor and go over to the tools. So it's typically added under the tools option right there. Access your actual Elementor website using the page, and here it is right here. So if you want to use AI, you can actually just use it on the text. For example, I have in here this. You can click onto this edit with AI. And as you can see, this will load. Just click on the disconnect option. And then this will open in here our Elementor. Just click on the disconnect option that we can see right here. And then this will be connected into our actual case. So click on this I approve and click on this get started. Then after that, this will load again. And in here, you can just input right here this one. You can simplify a text, use text, create a new prompt, and the likes. So from there, you can just choose in here the changes or the prompt that you wish to make for this one. So do take note that Elementor AI is actually already included with the free version of Elementor, but you can also enhance your access by upgrading for a license such as Elementor Pro. Click on this use text if you wish to use this. After that, just save all the changes that you have made. So that's how you get Elementor AI for free. Hope we help.